Hi, I'm Graham with Wire Wizard Welding Products, here to talk about the PowerBall MIG welding gun and some of the features that provide superior performance over traditional MIG gun designs. The PowerBall MIG gun is proudly made in America, right here in our manufacturing facility in Jackson, Michigan. After over 35 years of developing innovative wire delivery solutions, we've applied that expertise from the feeder forward to create a welding gun that redefines arc welding performance. Every component of the PowerBall MIG gun design is engineered to maximize conductivity. It features an all-copper current path from the rear connection to the contact tip, eliminating points of high electrical resistance seen in other MIG gun designs. These points of high resistance in the secondary circuit are the primary source of heat buildup in other guns. This can result in poor welding performance and a gun that's too hot to handle. Unique to the PowerBall gun is this jumper cable at the rear connection. Traditional MIG gun designs draw power through the power pin connection to the wire feeder. This is not ideal, as the current is negatively affected by electrical resistance in the drive roll assembly. Power pins are also typically made from brass, which is a poor electrical conductor when compared to copper. With the jumper cable, current is drawn straight from the feeder power terminal through an all-copper current connection, boosting conductivity and providing smoother arc starts that welders can hear and feel. The power cable features an ultrasonically welded copper lug that enhances both conductivity and durability. These lugs have consolidated copper wires, compared to crimped cables with compressed strands of wire that are less conductive with performance that degrades over time. From the power connection, current flows through the torch cable to the gun, which includes another ultrasonically welded copper connection internally. Continuing the all-copper current path, a solid copper neck interior connects to a copper gas diffuser. The patented PowerBall tip and diffuser assembly have an elliptical mating geometry, maximizing the contact surface for superior conductivity. This results in longer consumable life since the improved current flow reduces heat buildup and arc failures. The neck, diffuser, and contact tip all feature heavy-duty buttress threads for increased thread durability. These same features for enhancing conductivity are included on our line of PowerBall robotic MIG torches as well. Operator comfort and control is critical in industrial applications. PowerBall guns feature an ergonomic design with a textured grip handle. The trigger pull may be adjusted by simply replacing the tension spring with the light or heavy-duty springs included with all new guns. Wire Wizard has been developing innovative wire delivery products for decades, and we didn't forget about wire delivery when designing the PowerBall welding gun. The torch liners utilize our patented elliptical wire liner with a smooth coating to reduce wire friction and shaving. This extends the service life of the liner, improves feedability, and resists corrosion in harsh environments. In addition to the features maximizing welding performance, the PowerBall gun is fully repairable in the field using a simple field repair kit. This increases gun longevity and reduces long-term operation costs. For additional information on PowerBall MIG welding guns or to request a trial, contact your Wire Wizard technical sales expert or visit our website at wire-wizard.com.